Very small kid of a bird has been caught in my house. I am trying to free him, but he is in deep confusion and is not willing to go out from my house. I am trying to release him and managing to go out, but that is very in confusion and flying here and there, not understanding what should he do. So I'm trying to that it may there is a here is a door. This is big door, but that bird, the child of a bird, it is in confusion and he is not understanding what should he do. Yes, I am trying to catch him so that I may free him. Oh yeah, yes, perhaps he will find out the way. No, he is in confusion. Yes, come dear. Oh. I am not understanding how should I help him. Okay, yes, it is flying here and there, but not though getting the way to get out from here. Okay, after some time yes, that is flying here and there. I'm trying to yes, go, that is the way, the door. You will get the freedom. Okay. Oh, what should I do? I am not understanding. Perhaps it is trying to find out his parents, but no, he is in deep confusion. How should I help? Oh, it is not able to find the right way to go out. It is thinking that the small passage is the right way to go out. Yes. Oh, I want to release him from this room. but yes, okay, please get out from this room. Now it is flying here and there. Now it is dodging. Yes, go out, go. That is not the way. Oh. Ultimately, I managed to free this small bird. Go, go.